good girl. Oh, tasty hair. Oh, there's that ear.
Stealing our comedy bit.
There's that ear.
Your web show.
Ow.
It's a yummy ear.
It's an ear I'd like to stay attached to.
Well, she'd like to be. Yeah, he'd like to be attached to it too. He thinks it should be a filet mignon ear, and that's for not getting your work done. He knows that you should be working harder. So you know, there are consequences to be paid.
Ow! Hey! Ah! No scratching.
Mind you, he's such a sweetie. Usually he's busy kissing everybody.
Kissing is just taste testing.
No, he's a sweetheart. He's an absolute doll. Look at, he's giving you kisses now. Aww. How cute is that? He loves ya.
Loves.
Yeah, he just
He
boat
thinks
drowned
I'm
me
his
earlier.
next meal.
No,